Happy Mother's Day to all of you, and welcome to another video. Now, if you guys didn't watch this previous video, I let my mom, since today's Mother's Day, talk about the Leafs and Habs game, and I hope you guys watched that, because today, since we know two of the playoff matchups, I decided let's do a video on each of the teams' matchups. So today, we'll be talking about the Nashville Predators and the Carolina Hurricanes, who will meet up in the first round. The Carolina Hurricanes, which won the Discover Central Division, are going to face off against the Nashville Predators, who clicked a playoff spot, and they are going to be set to face off against the Carolina Hurricanes. These two teams are never playing the playoffs, but if we go back to the bubble, Preds lost to the Arizona Coyotes, and Carolina Hurricanes defeated the Rangers, but they lost to the Bruins after that because of an injury. So let's look at some statistics-wise and how these teams shaped up. UC Saros for the Nashville Predators has been the number one goalie since Pekka Rinne has been struggling this season. And there's no question if Saros plays because he's been absolutely tremendous. And with Pekka Rinne's contract starting to linger down, it's no question that Saros is going to continue to be the number one goalie, looking how statistically wise he has been playing. Now, let's talk about the records right now. The Hurricanes are 6-1-0 against these Predators this season. Their regular season is not done until tomorrow night. So tomorrow they'll play against each other to figure out what the record is going to be. Now let's talk about points wise. Aho has 8 points, and Trocheck has 8 points as well against his Predators team. Svechnikov had 7, and Dougie Hamilton also has 7 against the Preds. And their goalies have been James Reimer, who's undefeated this season against them. Djokovic only lost 1 game, and Mrazek only played 1 game against them because of his injury issues and COVID-19 issues. On the other side, there's only been a few players that's did great against this team. Ekholm, Faro, and Haula. That's not the recipe for success when you've got stars like Forsberg and Roman Josi. You need those players to start. Goalie-wise, Rinne has struggled against these Hurricanes. 0-3-1. And if he's going to start in round 1, I am hoping for the best. Now, let's talk about the season-wise for these two teams. Aho has been their workhorse this season, but it's also been led by other players like Svechnikov, Trocheck, Hamilton, and Martin Necas, who's had a career-high year. James Reimer has been great this season, 15-5-2, but his goals against save percentage not really that high. And his counterpart, Andrei Negovich, the rookie, has been great this season. 15-5-3, a 1.90 GAA, and a save percentage of .932. Amazing stats. Mrazek, who's only played 11 games this year, is 6-1-3 with 3 shutouts. Pretty amazing. Now, the Nashville Predators, they're led by some veterans, Roman Josi and Phil Forsberg, who's been taking care of the rest, who've been taking care of these Nashville Predators season, just trying to survive in the playoffs. Saros has been the workhorse with 21 wins that leads the Preds goalie. Rinne has only played let's just say 20 starts, and this Predators is not looking that good, and that's not what you need from a guy that led their team to the Stanley Cup Finals a few years ago. So let's hope for the best that Nashville has a better story than they had last time. So that's what it is. So what do you guys think? Who do you think is going to win the series? Will it be an upset from the Predators, or will the Hurricanes continue their season success in the playoffs? Comment down below what you think, and we'll see them in the playoffs, hopefully, when you still figure out. So happy Mother's Day to all of you, and I'll see you guys on another video.